Hello, everyone! Welcome to Professor English Lessons. Today, we are learning how to use is and are correctly. In this lesson, you will see 10 sentences with a blank. You will be given a few seconds to guess the right answer before we show the correct sentence and explanation. If you enjoy learning English in a fun and easy way, subscribe to our lessons for more daily practice. Scenario 1. Sentence. Multiple choice. Guess the answer. The cat blank on the sofa. A is, B are. Take a few seconds to guess. Correct sentence. The cat is on the sofa. Explanation. We use is because the subject, cat, is singular, meaning it is only one cat. Singular nouns always use is when describing state, location, or condition. Scenario 2. My friends blank very excited about the trip. A is, B are. Take a few seconds to guess. Correct sentence. My friends are very excited about the trip. Explanation. Friends is plural, meaning more than one person. That's why we use are. The action or state applies to many people, not just one. Scenario 3. There blank a book on the table. A is, B are. Take a few seconds to guess. Correct sentence. There is a book on the table. Explanation. Use is because a book is singular. Even though there comes first, the verb must match the real subject, which is book. Scenario 4. The flowers blank beautiful in spring. A is, B are. Take a few seconds to guess. Correct sentence. The flowers are beautiful in spring. Explanation. Flowers is plural, so we use are. Plural nouns always take are when describing their qualities, appearance, or condition. Scenario 5. He blank my best friend. A is, B are. Take a few seconds to guess. Correct sentence. He is my best friend. Explanation. He refers to one person, so we use is. Singular pronouns like he, she, it always use is when describing someone or thing. Scenario 6. The children blank playing in the park. A is, B are. Take a few seconds to guess. Correct sentence. The children are playing in the park. Explanation. Children is plural, meaning more than one child. That's why we use are. The action or state applies to all the children, not just one. Scenario 7. This apple blank very sweet. A is, B are. Take a few seconds to guess. Correct sentence. This apple is very sweet. Explanation. This apple is singular, so we use is. Use is when describing one object, person, or thing, including its taste, color, or location. Scenario 8. The books blank on the shelf. A is, B are. Take a few seconds to guess. Correct sentence. The books are on the shelf. Explanation. Books is plural, so we use are. Plural nouns need are to match the number of items. This sentence tells us where more than one book is placed. Scenario 9. My mother, blank, cooking dinner right now. A is, B are. Take a few seconds to guess. Correct sentence, my mother is cooking dinner right now. Explanation. Mother is singular, so we use is. Use is when talking about one person performing an action in the present. Scenario 10. Those dogs blank very friendly. A is, B are. Take a few seconds to guess. Correct sentence, those dogs are very friendly. Explanation. Dogs is plural, so we use are. Plural nouns always take are when describing their qualities, appearance, or condition. Great job! Now you know when to use is for singular nouns and are for plural nouns. Remember, the key is to look at the subject and match the correct verb. If you enjoyed this lesson and want more fun English exercises, subscribe to Professor English Lessons for daily tips and practice. Keep practicing, and soon using is and are will become super easy.